12 shocking inventions that will change your life 2024. Ever wondered what lies beyond the limits of innovation? Step into a world where inventions break free from convention. 12. Kickit Team Tennis. Ever heard of Kickit Team Tennis? It's not your average game. It's like tennis, but with a twist of light and fun. Originally created for a family in Hungary, this game has become a hit at events everywhere. Picture this, up to 10 people on 2 teams, playing on a huge light-up court. Imagine playing a game that lights up the night and brings everyone together. That's what Kickit Team Tennis is all about. 11. Milho. Meet the Milho Blender. It's sleek, powerful, and completely wireless. Plus, it's so quiet you'll barely even notice it's there. But here's the real kicker. It's got this super cool touch panel that lets you control it from every angle. You can cook on it, blend with the Milho Blender, and even charge your devices, all thanks to some fancy sensors and magnetic air drive tech. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's real, and it's changing the game in the kitchen. 10. Ocean Hydro Omni. Ever thought about sailing on a ship that uses the ocean's power to move instead of regular fuel? Introducing the Ocean Hydro Omni. It's a super cool boat that's changing the game with clean energy. Picture this. It harnesses the ocean's currents and waves to cruise along smoothly. Now imagine yourself on this futuristic voyage, surrounded by endless ocean views. But wait, there's more. This ship is packed with the latest green tech, like hydrokinetic turbines and solar panels, making it super eco-friendly. 9. Viking Lifecraft. Imagine being stranded at sea, needing to evacuate quickly. Traditional lifeboats have been around for ages, but they needed a serious upgrade. That's where Viking Lifecraft comes in. It's like the superhero of lifeboats, taking safety to a whole new level. Here's the deal. When it comes time to evacuate, these lifeboats don't take up extra space on the ship. They're stored until needed, then lowered into the water and inflated in a flash. And get this, they can fit up to 100 people each. Each lifeboat has its own motors, so even if one breaks down, the boat keeps going strong. Plus, they're super comfy inside, with soft floors that prevent seasickness. And let's not forget about maneuverability. They can spin around like tops. 8. Lightner Connex. Have you ever imagined riding in a cable car that can fly over obstacles? Imagine a transportation system that's like nothing you've ever seen before. That's exactly what Lightner has cooked up with her new Connex system. It's a genius mix of cable cars and self-driving vehicles all rolled into one. Here's the scoop. Picture riding in a cabin that floats above the road on cables. But wait, if there's something blocking the way, no problem. An unmanned lift swoops in, picks up the cabin, and carries it over the obstacle. Then the cabin hops back onto the road and keeps on cruising like nothing happened. 7. Mague. Ever heard of Mague? This UK-based startup is shaking up how we shop online and get our packages delivered. Instead of trucks clogging up the road, Mague's smart system uses special pods that zoom through pipes, both above and below ground, like futuristic mail tubes. But how does it work? Well, they've got this cool motor technology that pushes the pods along the track, making it all super fast and super eco-friendly. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real and makes our world greener. Six. Nomo Mag Rail. Ever dreamed of riding a train that can go faster than a speeding bullet? Picture a startup called Nomo Mag Rail that's on a mission to make trains smoother and faster than ever before. Their secret? Levitation. Instead of traditional tracks, they use electromagnetic rails to make cargo wagons glide without any friction. The Mag Rail vehicle zoomed at 135 kilometers per hour, with the potential to reach a mind-blowing 550 kilometers per hour. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. 5. DLR High Flex. Imagine a project called DLR High Flex that's like a superhero for sustainable energy. Created by the German Aerospace Center, it's all about powering up Barilla, a top pasta maker with clean energy. Here's how it works. A solar tower with 500 mirrors focuses sunlight onto a special receiver, heating up tiny ceramic particles that can store energy better than regular stuff. Pretty cool, right? Now, picture this. Even when the sun goes down, this stored energy can still be used to make steam for power or heat things up for making pasta. This project isn't just about pasta. It's showing the world how renewable energy can power big industries. 4. E-Scooter Airbag. So, are you ready to ride safer with airbags on your scooter? But first, let me ask you, ever imagine having an airbag on your bike or scooter for extra protection? Imagine this. Swedish-American company Autoliv is making waves with their latest innovation, airbags for electric scooters and bicycles. Yup, you heard that right. They've conducted the very first crash tests for these devices, and the results are pretty impressive. Here's the deal. When the airbag deploys on an electric scooter or kick scooter, it significantly reduces the risk of head and chest injuries for the rider. Plus, it keeps them from flying over the handlebars in a crash. How cool is that? 3. The fillet. Have you ever imagined indulging in the rich taste of salmon without a single fish being involved? Picture this, a culinary breakthrough where innovation meets sustainability. This marvel of innovation is the world's first 3D printed vegan salmon, crafted from microprotein, a plant-based protein source. Using advanced 3D printing techniques, Revo Foods shapes this microprotein into a delectable salmon-like fillet. So, take a bite of the future with Revo Foods Filet. 2. Mutant Missile. Introducing the Mutant Project, a groundbreaking initiative by the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory in flexible rocketry. With its unique hinge joint, this rocket can swiftly alter its flight direction in mid-air, enabling precise targeting of maneuverable objectives. Designed with inspiration from the F-35B vertical takeoff fighter jet, it promises to revolutionize aerial warfare. Ground tests have begun with ongoing development aimed at refining this game-changing capability. 1. Mague. Introducing Manan Power, a cutting-edge wind turbine project by Google featuring kite-based generators. This innovative design offers significant material savings and increased electricity generation, reaching heights twice as high as traditional turbines. Equipped with 4 to 8 turbines and propellers for added thrust, the kite harnesses strong air currents to generate energy. Although the project closed due to miscalculations, its research findings are publicly available, inspiring future advancements in wind turbine technology. As we conclude our journey through these 12 inventions poised to revolutionize our world, we're reminded of the transformative power of human ingenuity. From advanced technologies to sustainable solutions, they pave the way for a brighter future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon